finished doing this really simple makeup look, and I don't know if you can see, but my eye is a little bit red shot. So I kind of thought I would just play into it and make this side of my eye like look like it's bleeding for like an easy Halloween look. And I ain't got any fake blood on me, so if you are curious on how I'm gonna make that work, then stay tuned. So on this side, I want everything to still look kind of normal, so I will go in with a normal nude shaped eyeliner. But obviously on this side, we want to go in with a red. Look how well that matches my eye. And if you want to know how to get red shot eyes, well, I don't recommend it because it involves some during woohoo time. Please don't ban me. Now we're taking a setting spray and we are spraying our brush to wet it. I'm taking that brush on a red eyeshadow. I have found that this is the best way to get a blood-like substance. Something like this is pretty good to me. Now to make it look even more realistic, we are taking a clear gloss back to the red eyeshadow, and we're gonna mix this with the gloss as follows, and we tap that on top. As you can see, it is immediately looking a little more lifelike, and that's pretty much it. BRB with the finished result, and here we are with the final look. I love this so much. Turning lemonade from lemons, as they say, I think. See you in the next video.